What do you think? How these freelancers earn so much of money? Do they know everything? No, not at all. When they start, they are also beginner just like you. So if you are a beginner, if you do not have any skill, if you do not have any knowledge, if you don't know where to start, how to start as a freelancer, then this video is just for you. Keep watching this video because in this video I'm going to tell you 5 works that you can do on Fiverr without having any knowledge and without having any experience. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas and a lot more, and you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. The reason I'm shooting this video for you is last month I paid around 2000 rupees for a freelancer on Fiverr for such a small work that even anyone could do. Even I have been doing that work for almost 2 years, but since I was busy, so I hired her. And then I realized that this is so simple, anyone can do it. So the first thing you have to do is go to Fiverr, register yourself. If you don't know how to do it, let me know in the comment. I will make a separate video on that. Once you register yourself on Fiverr, you will see gigs there. Don't get confused. The word gig is used for the works. Okay, so whatever work you offer there to the clients, that is called as gig. So the first thing that you can do on Fiverr that needs no experience, no skill is making PowerPoint presentation. Trust me, this is absolutely easy. Even a child can do it. So you just need 1 or 2 days and you will be good to go. Okay, there are many clients on Fiverr who look for people who can make PPTs for them because they're already occupied with so much of work. In fact, I started teaching on Unacademy lately and I am really busy. I really have to make 2 PPTs in a day. So I am looking for someone who can make a good PPT for me, but the person has to be good at English. So if you are good at English, leave your contact number in the comment. I'll contact you, but do it within a month of the day I upload this video, okay? Because after that, I might not need anyone. Now let me show you how you can offer gig on Fiverr and how you can find these work. So all you need to do is go to Google, type fiverr.com, and then first you have to register yourself, okay? So if you don't know how to do it, tell me in the comment. I'll make a video. Now once you register yourself, I'll tell you how people look for your profile and for freelancers. So suppose I am someone who wants to get PPT done. So I'll write PPT here and then some of the profile like this, okay? It will display in front of me. So from these freelancers, I can choose any one. Now, of course, there are levels. So this one is, he might be beginner. So that's why he's charging so less, 1929. And as you can see, this person is top rated. So that's why he's charging 19,000 for the same work. Okay, obviously, but the quality of work will differ. So, and the clients who can afford this, they would go for this one. Okay, so suppose I am someone who can't afford so much, so I'll go for this one, or maybe there are many. Let me show you someone's profile like this. Okay, I'll click here, and so he has written some highlights here. He converts PDF to PPTs, okay, and then exact font match if you provide the font, or I'll detect and find from online resources if available free. Converting PDF to PPTs as PPT template you provided, okay. So all these things, all these works he can offer, and that's what they call gig. Okay, they call it as a gig. So please inbox first for custom quote if you need. For example, you're not satisfied with this amount and you may want some other work to get done, then you can chat with them on a chat window. So it's all about how you make profile here. Okay, as a beginner, you need to make a good profile because that is what is visible when the clients come to Fiverr, and that is how they're going to select you. For example, I click on this again, someone from level 2. So see, this is what he has written. So you can also do this, okay? It's not a big deal. And trust me, you can even copy paste it, but yeah, use your mind, okay? But you should know all these things, okay? So whatever is written, that you should know how to do it. And if you don't know, you can learn it easily. It's very, very easy. Making PPT is not at all difficult, okay? On number 2, I have graphic designing. Now don't get scared of this word, okay? Graphic designing is pretty simple. So as you might have clicked on my video, you might have seen the thumbnail, the cover of the video. So this also comes under graphic designing. So even I did not know it around 2 years back, but then I have learned it with the help of free tool Canva. So you can also do this. With the help of Canva, you can easily design thumbnail on a basic level, and there are many free templates available there. So you can also design social media posts for various companies, influencers, YouTubers. There are YouTubers, influencers that keeps on posting some or other thing on social media every day. Big influencers, okay? And they don't get time to do this. So they hired people. And everyone would like to go with a trusted medium. So Fiverr is a trusted medium. See, professional graphic designers, of course, work on a higher level. So they have very advanced skills, and their work is definitely advanced. But you can start as a beginner in the beginning stage. Let me show you some gigs for graphic design. Okay. So suppose I'm a client, I'm looking for someone who can design graphics for me. So level 2 seller, I will create graphic design of any kind you need. This is how your profile is going to look, okay? So see what he has written here. He can design a logo, then banner, poster, icon, social media cover, and all those things. So for placing order, you have to contact him. Now these are very easy things, easy works that you can do. There are many other things on Fiverr that you can do, okay? So depending upon your skill, as you can see here, video animation, then graphic and design. I'll click on video animation and see video editing, okay? Then logo animation or intros, outros even you can do. So see, there are many things available. You only need to work smartly, all right? Coming back to the video now. Third work is proofreading. See, proofreading is nothing but just rechecking the documents for any kind of spelling mistake, grammatical mistakes, or maybe replacing the word with the better words. So even if you are okay, average at English, you can start as a beginner. After that, you can save some money, take Grammarly's subscription, and then go for the advanced work that pay you more. So basically, freelancing is more about smart work, not about hard work, okay? Before I tell you more, I would like to tell you one thing. When I went to Fiverr to search for a freelancer for my work, I definitely went through her ratings, okay? All the feedbacks given by the clients. So when you work on Fiverr, make sure the feedback that you get and your rating should be good, because that is how people hire you. I had no idea where was she from. I did not know her personally, but after knowing ratings and all, I've hired her. So that is the system they follow. That is the system which is being followed by the clients there. Now coming to another work. This is pretty simple. It's just creating resume. Even I have made a video on this where I have talked about free tools and templates that you can use to create resume. If you want, you can go and watch that video here. Once you learn these things, there are clients who look for people who can create resume, impressive resume and professional resume for them, because people don't have time for that. You might be editing your workout videos, your dance videos, right? Why don't you make this profession? You can go to Fiverr and create a gig there that you can edit videos in a professional manner. It will take 1 or 2 videos for you to become more proficient in it, and then you can definitely earn money through it.